Hello everyone, my name is Vineet Kumar and I am currently pursuing a Bachelor's of Science in Data Science and Artificial Intelligence from IIT Guwahati. In this video, I will present the work carried out during the third phase of my internship as a database administrator at HCL Technologies. The focus of this phase was improving enterprise reliability, database availability, compliance, and operational visibility through proactive monitoring, automated reporting, high availability solutions, and patch management automation. Let me begin by discussing the challenges commonly faced in the large scale database environments. So, first is problem statement. In enterprise environment, database administrators are responsible for managing hundreds of database servers across multiple platforms. As the number of servers increases, it becomes difficult to manually monitor database health, verify backup compliance, track software versions, and deploy patches and to ensure high availability. Some of the major challenges that I observed were limited visibility into overall database health, delayed detection of backup and maintenance failure, time consuming patch deployment activities, difficulty in maintaining accurate inventory information, this risk associated with infrastructure or database failure, lack of centralized monitoring and compliance reporting. So, to address these challenges, I worked on multiple initiatives focused on database reliability engineering. The first and the foremost important initiative was the implementation of automated database health reporting. So, let me start with automated database health reporting. A major part of my work involved building an automated database health monitoring framework. In large environments, manually checking the server's health on daily basis is not practical. Therefore, automated health reports were developed to collect and deliver important operational information on a scheduled basis. The reports include database availability status, backup execution results, maintenance job status, failed SQL agent jobs, storage utilization details, system uptime information, temp DB utilization, performance indicators, index health information, SQL error log analysis, and database growth trends. These reports provide proactive visibility into environment and allow administrators to identify issue before they affect production systems. Instead of waiting for an outage or user complaint, problem can be detected and addressed in advance. This significantly reduced manual health check efforts and improved operational visibility. After improving monitoring and visibility, the next priority was ensuring database availability. For that, I used high availability using always on. To support business continuity requirement, high availability was implemented using SQL Server always on availability group. The architecture consists of a primary replica, a secondary replica, availability group listener, automatic failover functionality. Under normal condition, application connect to primary replica. However, if the primary nodes become unavailable because of hardware failure, operating system issue, or planned maintenance, the secondary replica automatically takes ownership of the workload. The application continues to connect through the availability group listener with minimal disruption. This architecture provides near zero downtime, improved business continuity, increased service availability, automatic failover capability. This helped me understand the importance of resilience engineering in enterprise database environment. Another important area of focus was backup and maintenance compliance. So instead of manually checking whether backup maintenance jobs was completed successfully, automated compliance reports was developed. These reports identify failed backups, failed index maintenance activities, integrity check failures, missed maintenance schedules. By reviewing these reports proactively, database administrator can address failures early and ensure recovery requirements and continuously met the significant improved visibility into backup and maintenance operation and reduced recovery related risks. The next major improvement was patch management automation using SCCM. So let me start with SCCM patch automation. Previously, SQL Server patching activities were performed manually. This required significant coordination efforts and considerable administrative time. To improve efficiency, patch deployment activities were automated using Microsoft System Center Configuration Manager, also known as SCCM. The process works as follows. Patch packages are prepared and approved. Database servers are grouped according to the SQL Server versions. SCCM automatically deploy patches to the target servers. Deployment progress is monitored centrally through the SCCM console. Reports are generated automatically. The SCCM dashboard provides visibility into following things. One is successful deployments, second one is failed deployments, third is in progress installation, and fourth one is pending system availability completion. This significantly reduces manual patching efforts while improving consistency and compliance across the environment. In most of the situation, manual intervention is required only when a deployment is failed, which occur rarely. In addition to database reliability and compliance, I also worked on inventory automation and database validation. To simplify inventory management and auditing activities, I used PowerShell and PowerShell scripts were deployed using Window Management Instrumental or WMI. These scripts automatically collect important information such as SQL Server versions, additions, patch levels, servers names, database inventory information. The collected data is exported into reports that can be used for compliance tracking and audit preparation. Additionally, validation scripts were developed for Oracle database. These scripts verify whether a database is in no mount state or in open state. This improved operational visibility and reduced manual efforts during maintenance and troubleshooting activities. Now, let me summarize all overall impact of these initiatives. So, let me start with result and impact. The implementation of reliability focused initiative resulted in measurable operational improvements. Key outcomes include approximately 90 to 95% reduction in manual patch deployment efforts, approximately 80% reduction in manual health check activities, faster identification of operational issues through automated reporting, improved backup and maintenance compliance visibility, improved inventory accuracy, near zero downtime for critical workload protected by always on high availability group, reduced efforts associated with database validation and compliance activities. These improvements collectively enhance database reliability, operational efficiency, and business continuity capability. Finally, I would like to conclude my work and share my key learnings. This phase of internship helped me understand how large enterprises maintain database reliability and availability at scale. Through the experience, I gained exposure to high availability architecture, database health monitoring, compliance management, batch management automation, inventory reporting, and cross platform database administration. More importantly, I developed a better understanding of proactive database management where issues are identified and addressed before they impact business operation. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.